Hello and welcome to the Rupee Rakshak news of 29 September. This is our 7th episode and I'm your host Raghu Rao. This week we're going to bring you market news and expert views that is important for your money. Rupee Rakshak news is coming to you from the newsroom of FinMo, a SEBI registered investment advisor. FinMo is officially launching its financial advisory brand Rupee Rakshak and the advisory website rupeerakshak.com this Saturday at 11 a.m. That is on 30th September 2023. So we request all clients to kindly grace the occasion. The CEO of Sensible, Mr. Abid Hassan, is going to be there as a chief guest for this launch. And for our viewers on YouTube, there's going to be a live stream of the event on this channel on Saturday the 30th September at 11 a.m. Please do watch, as you will get to know how easy it is to invest in the best mutual funds, stocks and bonds in India through rupeerakshak.com. If you don't want to invest in stock markets but want similar returns on your investments, mutual funds are the one you have to consider. In mutual funds, there is an expert fund manager who invests your money in well-researched stocks and bonds. So now let us take a look at the mutual fund updates for this week. And in mutual fund news this week, SEBI has chosen 34 entities this week to conduct forensic investigations on mutual funds, asset management companies and trustees. SEBI extends deadline to add nominees in mutual funds beyond September 30th. In the institutional investors data for the week, the mutual fund industry saw DIIs investing 2,679 crore in the stock market this week. Now let's look at the advisory mutual fund baskets from Rupee Rakshak for various categories of investors. Rupee Rakshak brings various baskets based on financial goals for men, such as retiring in 10 or 20 years, or dream home, vacation or a car, or a startup fund for yourself. And for women, similar baskets of retiring in 10 or 20 years and a dream home, vacation or car, or investment to be self-reliant. And if you are investing for your kids' education or marriage, or startup fund for kids, or if you are investing for your annual expenses or emergency money, or just to beat the FDs, there are mutual fund baskets for every need of yours. One can buy mutual funds in many ways. There are websites like Coin, Cherry, and so on, and people can even buy them through their broker platforms. And then there is this good old way of mutual fund distributors. How buying through rupeerakshak.com baskets is different?
Raghu, mutual funds today has become a commodity. Now everybody feels that they can invest in mutual funds, and because the way of investing has become simple. But how to invest, where to invest has not become simple. So even today you have a mobile app and you have PhonePe, you have Paytm. You go to Paytm, they also have one rupee symbol. You click there, you can actually invest in mutual funds. As small as even 100 rupees, 200 rupees you can invest. But the question is not about the process of investing. So what has become easy in the market is these platforms and the transactions and the technology has made the process of investing easy.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to fill the long form, you don't have to give your check, and that has been made simple. Now what is still not simple is which scheme will you buy and how long will you hold it, and do you know if it is performing or it is not performing? Can you understand why, and can you take a decision what to do if it is not performing? If it is performing very well, are you going to close it or are you going to hold it? So what is not simple in investing is that the decision making. Based on whose decision? Are you deciding which scheme to buy, or somebody is just putting some schemes for you and you just trust because it is Paytm or because it is some broker, any name for that matter, and they have put some schemes for you, and because they have put some schemes for you, that means it should be good. Why are there's a big company, right? So they would have chosen right one only, and will you invest like that? The other question is, First of all, why are you investing? This is something that I think I will never get bored of asking this question. Everybody I ask this question, please tell me what is your purpose? What do you want from this investment?
Exactly.
If you have no purpose, please don't invest, go and spend all your money, because it's as good as wasting your money. If there is no purpose, if there is no goal, if there is no need that investment is serving you, then why are we here and choosing everything? Just because it is easy, I am buying something. But when it comes to finance, tell me, do you know why are you investing some 10,000 rupees in an SIP? And you invested, some NFO came. People keep asking me this, NFOs or the IPOs are very, because so much of marketing happens and everywhere they see the ad, LIC IPOs. A lot of people ask me, why don't we invest? I said, why do you want to invest? So we in fact said, don't buy this LIC IPO. And after that, the prices fell and they all felt bad, many people who invested. So it's just because of the craze people will invest. If there is no purpose, what is the purpose of investing in IPO? Do you think it will, moment the listing happens and it will make money? That's a greed. You are speculating. If you are expecting that it will get listed at 500 rupees and suddenly it will become 550, 600 rupees and then you will make that 100 rupees in 2 days. Please remember, it is not practical. It happens 1 out of 100 cases. But when you come to mutual funds, what is your purpose? If you don't have a purpose, don't invest. If you are not sure about why you are investing, do not invest. If you want to simply get a hang of how this entire platform works, that is what people are doing. No serious investors. Here, if you come to Rupee Rakshak basket, we are a serious company. If some client comes to me, I must make some difference to his life. I will never ask you to invest if you do not know why. And if you don't know yourself, that's a problem in lot of us, we don't know what is my requirement. I know I have some money, let me put it, wherever I get maximum returns, I can double it, I can triple it, then I will go there and put money. Or if I get highest 30% somewhere, some friend has got, I go and invest there. So whether you come to mutual funds or stocks or everywhere it is the same common thing that I just have some money and I will put it, and wherever I get high returns, I'll go. If that is the only requirement, then you don't require any of the science behind investing.
Unfortunately, it doesn't always work.
It does not work. It has never worked for anybody. So you have a mutual fund platform and you just go and invest. It is like, I'll sit in the car, let me drive. Wherever I want, I will go. It is not. Before going, you know, you have put your Google map and you know it will take 20 minutes. That is what you should know when you invest. I have a kid, he's 3-year-old, I need 10-20 lakhs for his education, and this 20 lakhs I need because I am sure after 17 years my kid will definitely be 20. He cannot be 16 years, neither can he be 10 years. And at 20 he has to complete his graduation. And there is a cost for graduation. That is the need, that is the goal. And are you sure you will get 20 lakhs by investing in any scheme? It is not possible. So this is a science. Like I said, if you want to know how to invest, how to monitor, when to make changes, it's not a simple just to take one app, download one app, see the process, demo video and transfer 100 rupees and feel that you know how to invest. You only know the process of transaction. This is not investing. So in Rupee Rakshak baskets, Raghu, what we have done is we have 60 plus baskets and there are need based baskets. We have put the need. Is investing monthly your need? It's possible when you have just joined job, you don't know, you have no clarity in life what you want to do, that's fine. But there is a need that you want to save this money of 3,000, that's a need. If you are clear in life, you are married, you have kids and you have parents, there are responsibilities, then there are goals. Then you need to meet those goals and you need money in future. For yourself, for your kids, for everybody needs to build for future. That's a goal. And we also conduct how to match your requirement to the baskets that are already available, need based or goal based.
Okay.
So every Saturday, we do a 30-minute session for people to understand the Rupee Rakshak mutual fund as a platform, because it's an advisory platform, and there are already baskets meant for certain goals and meant for needs. Who should buy what, and what should they expect in terms of returns, how they should monitor, and the selection is left to us. You don't have to select any scheme. You just have to select the goal or the need, and the same way what you do in any other platform, you have all the transactional convenience and monitoring convenience on the go. There is, you can just log in and check with a mobile number and OTP. You know your portfolio, what is it performing. But you also have somebody telling you that don't withdraw this money, this is for your child. Now because you have some credit card payment, don't withdraw and close it. What will you do for your future when the kids, you have to spend for them for their education? So the whole idea of Rupee Rakshak wealth baskets, it is not to sell some schemes to somebody in some way and somehow make some commissions. And in fact, there is no commission that Rupee Rakshak makes, because this is a SEBI registered advisory. We only charge a very nominal fee for advice. So it is your interest that matters to Rupee Rakshak. Please do understand that the platform is different, doing transaction is different, investing is a very serious effort for a serious people who are very serious about their future. And Rupee Rakshak mutual fund baskets does exactly what you need and what you should be prepared for future expenses.
Oh, thank you, Mohan. So viewers, all of us have financial goals. So why not invest based on goals? That is a Rupee Rakshak philosophy, and that is the right one to do. Because after all, like Mohan said, you don't get into the car and drive directionless. You drive to get somewhere. So you invest to get to your goal is the mantra. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the mutual fund updates for you this week. If you like our news and views, subscribe to Rupee Rakshak News channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching Rupee Rakshak News.